Supportworks develops and manufactures a variety of industry-leading products. But what sets us apart is the support we give our dealers, franchisees, and customers through our training and development team. But let's back up a second. What is Supportworks anyway? Supportworks is a family-owned company comprised of 3 brands: Foundation Supportworks, Hello Garage, and Solution View. So when you join our training and development team, you might work for the foundation and concrete repair manufacturer, or the garage renovation company, or the software firm. But no matter what, you'll be working as part of a team with a single goal: to redefine an entire industry. And here's what else you can expect. The Supportworks training and development team runs the entire gamut, from sales and production, to accounting and marketing, to customer care and beyond. But they all have a few things in common. They're passionate about walking alongside others to help them reach their potential. That means they're fun, focused go-getters who love interacting with others on a daily basis. They train, they create, and they consult. They enjoy traveling, meeting new people, and experiencing new things. But above all, they're humble, hungry, and people smart. And we're looking for more people just like them. Think that might be you? Come redefine with a company that's consistently named as one of Omaha's best places to work, and that has been certified evergreen, with the vision, stability, and culture to thrive into the next century and beyond. Let's talk.